So when the Dyrus A40 is first powered up, the screen will look something like this. Then you'll have some values, and this is the home screen. It's obviously showing amps here, and this shows the three phases here. It's kind of a graphical indication of the magnitude. So now, if you want to program the CT ratio, first this E button with the little clock, depress that for 3 seconds. So hold it until the screen changes. Now it's going to ask for a code so that you can enter the programming mode. The code factory default is 100. So in order to enter 100, we have to press this right arrow key once, and you can see that's flashing there, so it means we can change that value. Then we want to press the up arrow here to make that a 1. Once we're done with that, then we want to confirm and hit OK. So this is the first screen that comes up. This is the system type. So this is a 3-phase unbalanced network, and that's the default. If this isn't the proper network, you'll need to select a different one. But we'll just leave it, assume that this is proper for your system. I'm not sure what your system is. So then to get to the next value, which will be the CT ratio, we'll want to hit the down arrow here. So here's the CT ratio. Factory default is 500 to 5. Just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to change this to 400 to 5. So the first step, you'll want to depress this right arrow. So get you to this first digit. We want to keep going to the right, so press it again. Goes to the second from the left, and then one more time to get to where the 5 is flashing. Now in order to change that to a 400, we want to depress the down arrow so it will decrease the number. So now we have 400 to 5. This is the ratio I wanted. Once you're happy with that, then you confirm and hit OK. Now there should be no flashing left. That means we've changed the value, but we're not done yet. For any of the things, any of the parameters to stay changed that you set, you have to exit the programming mode again. And the way you do that is depress this E button again for 3 seconds. So we're going to do that. And now we've changed the ratio. So just to confirm that we've made the change, I'm going to go back into programming mode again. So I'm going to hit the E button again for 3 seconds. Again, I'm going to go through and enter the code 100. So first the right arrow, then I'm going to hit depress the 1 or the up arrow to put a 1 there, increasing that value. Confirming with OK. Again, this is the first parameter that pops up, the system type. I'm going to hit the down arrow to get to the CT ratio. As you can see, it's still 400 to 5 as we changed it before. Now I'm going to change it back to the factory settings. So I'll hit the in arrow once, twice, 3 times. Now I'm going to hit the up arrow to change it back to 500. Now I will hit OK to confirm the change. And now to exit the mode and make sure that this change takes effect, I'm going to depress the E button again for 3 seconds, and we should pop back up to this screen again. So that's all there is to it.